It was just a mishmash of ideas. It's a slasher film mixed with a 80s homage, mixed with a commentary on the entertainment industry, mixed with cults. It was very difficult for me to actually care about the story, this kind of mystery element that's involved, because there's just too much shit going on. I don't care about anyone in this movie, including the main character. There's no time to breathe. The ending is a complete dud. I don't want to say this was a failure, but by comparison, this was a failure. It was a wet fart. It was the air being left out of a balloon as it circles the room.